When I say the word accountability, what ideas come to mind? If I say you need to be accountable for your actions, do your thoughts go to punishment, blame, or shame? If so, that's common. Many people mix up accountability with punishment or blame. So it might surprise you when I say that for DID systems, accountability can actually become a safety tool. If you're confused or skeptical about how this could be true, or even think it's impossible, I understand. Let me explain. Many systems avoid accountability because it feels dangerous, like someone's about to be punished, blamed, or exposed. And honestly, that makes a lot of sense. Those fears usually come from very real past experiences with punishment or rejection. But accountability within a system isn't about that at all. Instead, it's about acknowledging what happened, repairing the harm if possible, working together as a system to create safer choices moving forward. Do you notice what's not on that list? Punishment, blame, or shame. That's why accountability, in the way that I'm talking about, actually creates safety inside your system. When the focus is on understanding and acknowledging what happened, repairing the harm if possible, and working together to create better ways of acting in the future, accountability becomes about healing and growth, not fear. It's about knowing that no part will be abandoned, exiled, or scapegoated. This reduces chaos and fear within the system. And instead of looking backward and pointing fingers or assigning blame, accountability recognizes that everyone is impacted by what happened, even if only one part took action. For example, if a protector part sends harsh messages to a friend because they believe that friendship is unsafe, that friend may end the relationship with your entire system, not just that part. In other words, you're all on the same team. Supporting each other strengthens the team. Accountability makes increased trust and cooperation within the system safer. How would it change things within your system if finger pointing, blame, shame, punishment, and all the rest were no longer part of that dynamic? Would it make it easier or safer for members of your system to cooperate with each other? If this idea feels intriguing, or if you're wondering how it could possibly work in your system, make sure you're signed up for my newsletter. That's where I'll announce the new resource I'm creating that will walk you through this process step by step. When it's ready, you'll be the first to know.